AI is blowing up right now, not just for making pretty pictures, but for turning long-form content into scroll-stopping clips. With so many tools popping up, it's easy to get lost trying to figure out which one to use for your content pipeline. Today, I want to unpack which creative tools shine, where they fall short, and what actually ties everything together for consistent growth. Oh, and if you make content regularly, make sure to hit subscribe for tips on branding and marketing. Let's start with image generators and creative AI, tools that everyone is currently buzzing about for asset creation. These tools are awesome for thumbnails, but they absolutely do not solve the entire content distribution problem. First up is Vimme, a tool that many creators swear by because it is free, intuitive, and ridiculously flexible. Vimme is super handy for making thumbnails that pop or creating a quick social graphic without firing up Photoshop. It also includes helpful touch-up tools for erasing objects, removing backgrounds, and enlarging images without quality loss. The pros are that it's fast, has a free starter tier, and acts as a multi-tool for design teams needing many visuals. The main con is that Vimme is an image-first platform that won't handle the full distribution pipeline for you. Next is Midjourney, whose aesthetic is hard to beat for handcrafted, moody, and dreamy artwork. It leans heavily into illustration vibes, making it perfect for concept art or stylized portraits for channel intros. However, the flip side is that Midjourney is purely an image generator, not an editor or a content scheduler. If you need to turn a live stream into a queue of short clips for TikTok, Instagram, and Shorts, Midjourney doesn't help there. Let's briefly discuss Bing's creator tools, which are super convenient if you already live in the Microsoft ecosystem. You can generate art quickly, and turning ordinary imagery into more stylized visuals is a total breeze. That said, Bing's strengths are convenience and enabling quick visual experiments, but style diversity can be limited. It's a great shortcut for getting something done fast, but it is not a robust production pipeline for scaling content. Now, Runway is exciting because it feels like video AI can actually read your mind and synthesize exactly what you need. They are doing wild things with live video synthesis and even turning text directly into moving visuals. Runway brings a lot to the table for creators doing cutting-edge visual effects, but it slips in practical day-to-day workflow. Those advanced features can be resource-heavy, and you will likely need a paid plan for high-res downloads and mass exporting. Jasper Art is great for generating scenic, painterly, or atmospheric artworks that build a unique visual language for your brand. However, for business-facing needs like scalable banners or automated publishing workflows, Jasper's art tools are too niche. So why did I walk through all these tools? Because smart creators use them in combination for the best assets. The missing piece most of these platforms share is that none of them automatically turn your long videos into a pipeline of scheduled posts. Enter Vizard, the tool I actually reach for when I want to turn long-form content into a consistent content machine. Think of it as the layer that connects everything by finding performing moments, clipping, captioning, formatting, and scheduling your content. It's not just about making one clip, it is true auto-editing built specifically for scale and consistency. First, Vizard's auto-editing is smart, scanning your video to find the energetic bits that are likely to go viral. This saves you hours of scrubbing footage just wondering which 30 seconds will actually land with your audience. Second, the auto-schedule feature lets you set a posting frequency, and Vizard handles the rest across platforms. Third, the content calendar provides pure sanity for teams by offering one place to review, tweak, and push content. This collaborative calendar is huge when working with editors or managers to approve posts quickly. And the best part is that Vizard plays nicely with the other image and video AI tools we discussed. You can source visuals from Vimme or Midjourney, run a Runway effect, then let Vizard handle the publishing schedule. The entire flow from idea to actually posted content becomes delightfully smooth and efficient when stitched together. Now you need to know the trade-offs. Vizard is about distribution, not reinventing visual styles. If your sole focus is creating high-concept AI artwork, then Midjourney or Jasper are still your primary options. But if your problem is publishing more often and converting long videos into a consistent stream of shorts, Vizard is the key. For instance, I have seen podcasters upload 1 hour-long episode and get 20 optimized shorts in just a few clicks. A product marketer turned an entire webinar into a 2-week social campaign, freeing up time to engage with comments instead of clipping. The point is to pick the right combination: creative AI for assets and a distribution engine like Vizard to leverage them at scale. If you are just experimenting, tools like Vimme and Runway are awesome in their specific lanes. But if you are trying to grow an audience without the content creation feeling like an endless grind, give Vizard a look. It takes your long videos and turns them into a consistent, managed content pipeline ready for all your socials. If you want more breakdowns like this, let me know your niche, podcasts, courses, or corporate comms, and I'll map out a stack. And seriously, subscribe if you want more tips to help you publish less like a frantic hamster and more like a machine with taste. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Mike, helping you make content that actually works.